never get free. Lamb to the slaughter. What you gonna do when there's blood in the water?
Hey guys, it's Bree Halo here, and this is my Supreme Leader Snoke makeup tutorial. All the products used today will be listed throughout the video. Music used will be listed at the end of the video. Please remember to like this video, give it a Sith Lord thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on other social media that I may or may not have, share with friends, family, etc. And as always, leave any comments or requests for future makeup tutorials. Now I think I kind of got this one right-ish. Like, Snoke is really hard to do, and I think a lot of my shading was too dark. But I think I kind of got it in the end. Like, I wasn't gonna actually make his costume since I don't really think I'm gonna cosplay him in the future. But I think I got the old man vibe down. Yeah, let me know in the comments what you think. Did I succeed in turning myself into Supreme Leader Snoke, or did I fail? Also, I'm too cheap to get a wig cap or a bald cap / I have too much hair for a bald cap, I think, so I just did like a I don't know, glad wrap and masking tape. It kind of worked. Like, you can obviously see all my hair's still out of it, but it kind of worked. Definitely needs some refinement for the future. Yeah, I just didn't want to paint my whole body today. I spent almost 3 hours on the face and neck. And sorry, this video is going to be very all over the place. I'll start off with the eyes and then move to the mouth and then pretty much do the complete neck and then go back up to the face. It just really went with how I felt I needed to do.
You'll never get free. Lamb to the slaughter. What you gonna do when there's blood in the water? The price of your greed is your son and your daughter. What you gonna do when there's blood in the water? Look me in my eyes. Tell me everything's not fine. All the people ain't happy, and the river has run dry. You thought you could go free, but that system is done. If you listen real closely, there's a knock at your front door. You'll never get free. Lamb to the slaughter. What you gonna do when there's blood in the water? The price of your greed is your son and your daughter. What you gonna do when there's blood in the water? When there's blood in the water. Admit you were toxic. You poisoned me just for another dollar in your pocket. Now I am the violence, I am the sickness. Won't accept your silence, beg me for forgiveness. We'll never get free. Lamb to the slaughter. What you gonna do when there's blood in the water? The price of your greed, your son and your daughter. What you gonna do when there's blood in the water? When there's blood in the water. to the slaughter. What you gonna do when there's blood in the water? The price of your greed is your son and your daughter. What you gonna do when there's blood in the water? Look me in my eyes, tell me everything's not fine. All the people ain't happy, and the river has run dry. You thought you could go free, but that system is done for. If you listen real closely, there's a knock at your front door. You'll never get free, lamb to the slaughter. What you gonna do when there's blood in the water? The price of your greed is your son and your daughter. What you gonna do when there's blood in the water? When there's blood in the beg me for mercy, admit you were toxic. You poisoned me just for another dollar in your pocket. Now I